precision, thinning scissors, and the razor, all to create this hairstyle that we did today. So this is a pixie haircut front with a step bob in the back. We did this through our final bob within our series of 7 bobs in the HairDesigner program. So what we actually did was we cut, well, I twisted the hair here, and I twisted it and I razor cut through these edges to create these lovely valleys and peaks. Through the side, I used thinning scissors and I slivered through the hair with thinning scissors through here. The rest of the haircut was cut with scissors. I did precision layers, square on top, square sides, and then as you can see in the back, we have a step bob. And the step is a 1 length line cut above the hairline. So here is scissor over comb into a step bob and then layered through to create this lovely effect. So I love playing around with all of the different tools and creating this lovely effect. And I love this softness through here. Come on, darling, put your chin up. Everyone's looking at you. Anyway, that's the look. I hope you enjoyed it. P.S. See you tonight. We have our masterclass. Check the information out down below. Woohoo!